everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing something a little different today. We've got some car related content. Yeah, I've got, what have I just done with it? Found it. I own a 2004 Corsa C and the gear knob Gaiter is perished. I'll show you when we get to the car, but this is the brand new one. It's only just come. Now my cat's here to bug this shit out of me. Yeah, anyway, let's go and fit it. Oh, right, let's crack on. Firstly, that's the Gaiter. It's absolutely knackered. That's my gear knob. Yeah, this gear knob's been in every single car I've ever had because it's so good. I love it. Yeah. Anyway, it's not about the gear knob. It's about this new thing. So, firstly, we're gonna. This should just pop out. There we go. And there's normally a zip tie in this bit here, but someone's obviously cut it before I had this car. So, yeah. That's it. Just stare at that. It's horrible. Let's go in
the bin.
Nice shiny new one. Look at that. See what I mean about the zip tie? So yeah, that'll just go over that. It should just clip in. Perfect. And then that goes round that bit there. You need to pull it all like that. So I'm going to zip tie that round and I'll show you in a sec. There we go, it's as simple as that. All I've got to do now is just cut this little bit off and then just hide that under. And it's done. That looks much better. Yeah, it's only a short video, but yeah, makes a difference to the car. It looks a lot more cleaner. Yeah, if you like that one, please leave a like, leave a comment, and I will be going to Silverstone this weekend. So it's the BTCC, so there's another huge vlog coming up. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.